Wow, who's so pretty?
Open the
Control lighting. The light is doing it for me today, you guys. Makeup on fleek.
very pretty.
Aw, thank you, baby. Is mommy pretty, Tyler?
Wee.
You guys, good morning. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, all you faiths, all you beautiful people, all you lovelies. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I am having a wonderful
turn left
morning so far. Got up this morning and I worked out and I feel really good. From workout to looking divalicious this morning. There goes all my messages coming in. You guys, I am rocking this lip stick, this lip color. My mommy bought me this lip color and I'm wearing it for the very first time. And I am in love with it, so thank you, mama. In my workout, which was awesome, while the boys were sleeping in, and get all dialed up to go run some errands on the road. We're on our way to get some stuff done, and I'm not really sure what we're doing later today or this afternoon because it's a little bit cloudy today. It's been raining all night into this morning, so it's a little bit messy outside, but let's see what the day holds and how long these errands will get done. So yeah, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Enjoy your weekend, whatever it is that you're doing. If you're staying home with your family, if you're going out running errands, be careful on the road, stay true to yourself, enjoy your weekend, and get up, get out, and work out. See you guys later. Hey! You guys haven't seen Tyler. Say hi, Papa. Say good morning. Oh, he's giving you guys all the kind of side eyes this morning. You're getting it. Back from the supermarket. And I'm just packing out the stuff that we got. I fell asleep on his way home, so he's out sleeping. He haven't even had lunch as yet. So I got a lot of fruits and vegetables because I'm really trying my hardest to eat better. So you guys, my basket can't even hold all these things. I don't have any space. I don't got no space. Tyler loves banana, so I have to start buying extra bananas when I go to the supermarket because Tyler eats like one banana each day. Ugh. I have to stock up on some bananas. I bought this tofu because I'm gonna try it. Don't know how it's gonna taste, but I'm trying to cut out meat as much as possible. If I don't have to eat meat, I'm trying not to, and if I do, it's going to be fish or chicken. I'm trying to cut it out as much as possible. Not that I'm cutting it out forever, I'm just trying to change up my diet a bit to see how it's gonna go. So we're just packing out this stuff, and then I'm going to make hubby some lunch. All right, you guys, I'm about to go make my husband some lunch. So
And
I'll catch
yourself
you
too.
and myself. So I'll catch you guys later. So you guys, this is lunch. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? That's a bowl of corns, tuna, tomato, and lettuce. That's what Babe requested, and we were making it together. But then he remembered that there's spaghetti and meat in the fridge, so he decided to go for it. But I don't mind, the more the merrier for me. So he's happy. He's feeling guilty, but he's happy that he doesn't have to eat.
No, that was looking
All
good,
this.
except this lettuce. That was looking good.
So this is what I'm going to have for lunch. So yeah, it's about to go down, you guys. Oh, you guys, I finally bought something that I wanted to put on this table, desk, whatever it is behind me, this armoire behind me. So I bought these candles and this nice little decorative thing to put the candles on top of it. I have an idea in my head. I'm gonna figure it out after and see if it's gonna work. So yeah, I'm about to have lunch. Well, we're about to have lunch. Hubby already started coming. Look at him. We're about to have lunch. Hopefully Tyler don't wake while I'm eating, because Tyler haven't had lunch as yet, and it's after 1 o'clock. But he had some juice and some snack, so I don't think he's that hungry. He wouldn't be sleeping. So I'm gonna eat, and we'll talk to you guys later. Originally, I wanted to do this for the table that I'm going to put in the middle of the living room. The living room space is still empty because I haven't gone hunting it for the little table for it. So it's gonna stay empty for a while until I can find a table. But I wanted this to go on the living room table or up here, which I think up here would be more ideal, and I don't know what I'm going to do with these flowers. But for now, I'm just gonna take it off. So I'm just gonna try to create something and see if it will work. So this is what I bought. This awesome, I don't even know what to call it, but I think it will look really cute right here with all my candles in it. So I bought some candles of different size. So I'm just gonna try and, yes baby, and they smell really good too. I'm just gonna try and display them on it and see how well it's gonna turn out. Cute. You like it, babe?
It sounds cute.
And then eventually I'm going to move these two, and I'm going to get 2 picture frames with just Babe, Tyler, and I instead of family to just go on here. And yeah, it turned out really cute. So I'm gonna move these eventually, and then get 2 picture frames and put there. So that's awesome. for a little stroll on the road. We ended up at the mall and just shop around a little bit. No, baby, go back. And I'm home. We're home and probably a nice cooking dinner. So I'm actually making some shrimp stir fry. Then we're just gonna have dinner. Maybe have some, maybe have wine, don't. Maybe have a glass of wine and chill for the rest of the evening. This looks so fake and it's all natural. Hubby's over there already digging in and I'm about to go in on all this yumminess. And hopefully you guys are having a wonderful dinner today, just like we are about to have a wonderful dinner. We're just gonna end the vlog here for the rest of the night. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below so we can chit chat. If it's your first time watching, don't forget to click the subscribe button down here, join our journey, join our family, and enjoy all the videos that we are posting. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys, say bye bye. Au revoir. Au revoir.
Our